Hi everyone, I'm Abby Eckler, and I did my literacy centers on the book Turkey Trouble by Wendy Silvano. This literacy center is for the high-level readers in the class. Here's my directions and standards page. I have 3 standards that I'm working with, which is LAFS.1, .w.1.1, which says write opinion pieces in which they introduce the topic or name the book they are writing about, state an opinion, supply reason for the opinion, and provide some sense of closure. The second standard is LAFS.1.RL.1.1, which states ask and answer questions about key details in a text. My final standard is LAFS.1.RL.1.2, which states retell stories including key details and demonstrate understanding of their central message or lesson. Here are my standards right here. I use stars, and 1 star will be given if they didn't try or they didn't fully understand what was happening and what they were being asked of, or they just did not pay attention at all, did not do their work. 2 stars will be they sometimes understood what was being asked and completed it correctly. 3 stars is most of the time they understood and not mastered, but came proficient at it. And number 4 is they mastered the skill I was asked of them. The first one is I can reread with my partner well. Second one is I can describe what happened in the beginning, middle, and end of a story. Third, I can answer questions about a story correctly. And the 4th one is for their writing, which states in my writing I put spaces in between my words, wrote clearly, used punctuation, and stated my opinion. The first activity I will have them complete is a beginning, middle, and the end. It's like a flow chart. And so they would write what happened in the beginning of the story, then what happened in the middle, and finally what happened at the end and how the problem was solved. The second activity is a fun little activity. It's disguising their own turkey and then writing about it. Here's their turkey. They will disguise it however they would like, and then they will tell us what they disguise their turkey as and why they disguise their turkey as that. The final activity is just a question sheet that helps me identify if they fully comprehended the story or not. It's about 7 questions long, and it goes through basically character, setting, problem, solution, identifying who was the main character, who was a supporting character, where it took place, why the turkey did not make a good disguise, and what was Turkey's best costume.